Welcome to Day 21 Gratitude Challenge. Today's topic is magnificent outcomes. We all want good outcomes in whatever we do. But sometimes we self-doubt ourselves whether this is going to turn out well, or we have enough luck to manifest the things we want. So here, a famous author, Gilbert Keith Chesterton, says he used to express grace, the gratitude, before doing any work, may it be walking, writing, painting, sketching, in whatever he does, going to opera, boxing, or playing sports. He used to express his gratitude, and he knows the outcome is guaranteed the way he wants. So gratitude is the simplest thing. Instead of relying on hope or luck, you rely on gratitude so that universe will turn out the things the way you wanted, right? So here comes quantum physics. You have already heard from me about quantum physics several times. For example, I take a scenario where I am unwell, I am having a disease, and I can always switch to my parallel reality where I am healthy. So these all realities, multiple possibilities, we exist in many dimensions, and these possibilities exist for us all the time. So we can choose the reality we want. We can activate that reality. We can put our consciousness into that reality. So this how it is so simple. This is what quantum physics says. So whatever the vibration you are offering, may it be health vibration you are offering, or it can be the sickness vibration you are offering. Both are present at the same time, but you can activate whichever you want. So it's so simple. Likewise, there are many laws, like laws of physics. A pilot takes off the plane, he knows that law of physics will work. Likewise, when we walk, we know the law of gravity will work. Likewise, we have law of attraction. Whatever we sow, so shall we reap. Whatever the seeds you sow, that is the plant we are getting. If it is a mango, we get mangoes out of it. Right? If it is a mango seed, then we get mangoes out of it. So likewise today, in every act you do, in everything you do, be grateful. May it be the work meeting, you are attending a job interview, or you are clearing some exams, or it can be a phone call, right? Or you have an appointment with your dentist, or it is a conversation with your child on his behavior or her behavior, or it can be a hot talk with your partner. So express gratitude, say thank you even before the outcome has happened, as if it is already happened the way you want it. So it can be, you can do this before doing any purchases, maybe engagement ring or wedding dress. You can see the magnificent outcome that is coming up and express your gratitude. It can be for regular purchases also, like new drapes or new carpet, or it can even your emails and the post that you will be receiving. So all you have to do today is take 3 important things for today and express gratitude for the magnificent outcome that is going to happen, right? And also you can take 3 unexpected things. It can be a meeting with a client, or phone call with a client, or sending an email to a client. You want certain outcome, certain transactions to be done with the client, then you can express your magnificent outcome, thank you for that magnificent outcome. For example, if sometimes uncertain things happen in our lives, like missing a bus or missing a train, or missing somewhere we are lost, you can express gratitude for those things as well. We never know, because there may be something bad happening over there, and universe has kept us in a good place. Like when Twin Towers has fallen down, many have got an intuition that don't go to the work. Certain people followed the intuition and stayed back at home, and certain people just went blindly. So also believe in your intuition and trust in the magnificent outcomes. You already know how the outcome is going to be, right? So it's so simple as that. Uh, Today we'll be practicing this exercise for three regular things that are important to you in life and three unexpected things. Along with that, you will be counting your blessings and do this blessing work, counting your blessing work with your heart. Express the gratitude for these things with your heart. As we have discussed yesterday on heart magic, it's not with the brain. We are not operating from the level of the brain. You should operate from the heart. Then only the results will be magnificent and magnanimous. With this, I am concluding today's session, and this week I am conducting an angel workshop tomorrow, and also in the weekend there is an Access Bars workshop coming up. Whoever is willing to join, these both workshops are phenomenal. It made a difference in my life. Hope you will choose it. If you need any details, you can always call me at 9008 172 484. Thank you.